You've probably had a bottle of this sitting in your cabinet for years, and I bet you have never used it for cleaning or some of the hacks I'm about to share with you. Rubbing alcohol is just one of those products that's just sitting basically in everybody's medicine cabinets, and most of us don't give it a second glance, but we have no idea how powerful it is as a cleaning tool. Now, I actually dug back into the archives for this one because these hacks are just as good today as they were when I first filmed them. A little bit of rubbing alcohol can knock out streaks and grime and germs in ways that might honestly surprise you. We're covering 6 hacks today: DIY disinfectant spray, a trick for cleaning blinds without losing your mind, a safe way to clean your electronics, chrome surfaces, and eyeglasses, and because I know a lot of you have asked for this, even a DIY hand sanitizer. So get your rubbing alcohol and let's get into it.
Rubbing alcohol has a few interesting cleaning properties. First of all, as many of you know, it's a disinfectant, so it'll kill bacteria usually on contact. You want to just wipe it, give it a couple of minutes to dry, and then the bacteria should be gone. Now, you can also use this if you need something to dry quickly and you want to reduce streaking. So people will often mix this into cleaning recipes to help reduce streaking. The other cool thing about rubbing alcohol is that it can lift up grease and dirt where otherwise you might not be able to do that. So rubbing alcohol is kind of an interesting product that way. The one rule is to keep it away from an open heat source or a flame because, yup, it's flammable. Well, there is good bacteria to be had in homes. When cold and flu season rolls around, you don't want that stuff lingering around the house. And that is when a DIY disinfectant really comes in handy. And you can make one with simple rubbing alcohol and water. So just get yourself a clean spray bottle, and to it you're going to add 1 cup of plain water and 1 cup of rubbing alcohol. Now, if you want to up the antibacterial properties, you can dash in about 20 to 30 drops of a powerful essential oil like lavender or tea tree, something that has some antiviral and antibacterial properties that'll really make it a powerful cleaner. Then just spray it on the affected surface, point of contact, a toilet, a sink, whatever it is that needs a little bit of cleaning up. Let it sit for a couple of minutes. That's called dwell time, very important for killing bacteria. And then give it a wipe and move on. If you have horizontal or vertical blinds, rubbing alcohol can help you clean them very quickly. Now, over time they get dusty and a little bit dirty, so here's the quick fix. Just put plain rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle or a little spritzer and get yourself an old sports sock. Flip it inside out, stick your hand in so you make a little sock puppet. Then you're going to flip your blinds over to one side so they lay flat, and give them a good spray with rubbing alcohol. Now, I like to work section by section when I do this, so I might spray the first 3 and then continue to move my way down. I'm talking about horizontal blinds here. Then take that sock, wrap it around the slat, and gently pull it to the side. The rubbing alcohol helps loosen up dirt and dust, and it makes light work of cleaning. If you notice that your cell phone is getting a little bit grimy, and yeah, it happens to all of us, you're putting it by your ear, which produces wax, it's on your face, which has oils, and if you're like me on a shooting day, you've got makeup on, which also gets all over your phone. So every now and then, you really do need to give it a good cleaning, not only to get that grimy stuff up, but also the bacteria that hangs out on this thing. So mix up equal parts of water and rubbing alcohol. That's just a quick electronics cleaner / disinfectant, and spray it onto a flat weave microfiber cloth. And I'll put links to ours down below. Then you're just going to remove the case if you can and give your phone a good wipe down. You can just do the S pattern from the top to the bottom, flip the phone over, and you can even do this for your phone case. It'll help lift up any dirt or discoloration as well. I mentioned earlier that rubbing alcohol dries very quickly, which means that it doesn't leave streaks or marks behind. And what is more frustrating than trying to get your chrome fixtures shiny and streak-free? I don't know, there are few things in the world that are more frustrating than that. So get yourself some rubbing alcohol and put it on a soft cloth like an all-purpose microfiber cloth and start to wipe your chrome fixtures. Now the rubbing alcohol will help remove any light water spots, but the best part is that it'll just polish it up beautifully. Now, the other cool thing is that it will help disinfect your fixture, and that's always a bonus whenever you're cleaning something. Rather than paying an exorbitant amount of money for glasses cleaner, you can just make your own. Get yourself a little spray bottle and fill it 3/4 the way full with rubbing alcohol. Fill the rest up, so about 1/4 of the way, with plain water, and to that you're going to add a drop of dish soap. So what I mean when I say a drop, look at your pinky nail, divide it in half, and that's about as big as you want the drop to be. Now, the next thing you'll do is take the bottle and just roll it gently in your hands. That way you can disperse everything, but you're not going to create bubbles. Then spray your glasses on either side of the lens with the solution and wipe it off with a flat microfiber cloth, something that either came in your glasses case or one of our glass and electronics cleaning cloths. If you're into the idea of hand sanitizer, but you're not into the idea of hand sanitizer with triclosan, you might want to consider making your own, and it is surprisingly easy to do. So go to the drugstore and find yourself pure aloe vera gel, so not the green stuff. Get yourself a clean squeeze bottle, and to it you're going to add 1 part rubbing alcohol, 2 parts of that aloe vera gel, a tablespoon of a nourishing oil like sweet almond oil or vitamin E oil. That just helps soften things up so you don't get those crusty hands. And then you're gonna add 15 drops of your favorite essential oil just to make things smell nice. Give it a quick shake and then you're done. This can go in your purse, your car, your diaper bag, or just about anywhere that you would normally keep your hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is a bit of a debated topic. Some people think it's great and other people think it's terrible. Some people think it's fine to use, some people think it's kind of gross. So I'd love to know in the comments down below, what's your take on hand sanitizer? Do you use it and do you like it, or do you avoid it as much as you can? Obviously, hand hygiene is important. It can come in handy from time to time. For me, I will use it if I am in an absolute pinch, but my preference is to always use soap and water. But really, I'd love to know what you guys think down below.
And there you have it. 6 ways that rubbing alcohol can seriously upgrade your cleaning routine, from disinfecting to degrunging and giving your electronics some love. It's such a simple and inexpensive product, but it really does pull its weight. And by the way, if you're in the UK or somewhere across the pond, it's called surgical spirits. If you've tried any of these, I'd love to hear how it went. Drop a comment and let me know which hack you love the most. Or if you have a rubbing alcohol or a surgical spirit hack, please let me know as well. And if you're new here, welcome, and make sure that you hit subscribe because I've got hundreds more cleaning videos just like this one waiting for you to help make cleaning faster and easier. And if you want to know the same hacks for borax, here is a great video for you. Watch the entire thing and see how this little unknown box can be completely game-changing when it comes to cleaning your home and taking care of laundry. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.